Picture this. You've spent weeks nurturing your garden and everything looks perfect until one morning you find your kale chewed to bits. It's a crime scene, tiny holes, leaves gone, and your hard work devoured overnight. Pests don't just eat your plants, they test your patience. Your first instinct might be to grab the harshest chemical spray, but what if you could protect your plants with science and strategy, not war? Today, we're decoding 10 natural pest control methods that actually work, backed by real biology. We'll turn your garden from a buffet into a fortress. Grab your gloves, let's get started. First up, companion planting. Nature's version of teamwork. Some plants like basil repel pests from tomatoes with their scent. Marigolds release chemicals that protect roots and attract beneficial insects like ladybugs. By mixing the right plants, you create a multi-level defense system. It's a self-sustaining security detail for your garden. No chemicals, just smart planting. Let your plants protect each other. Neem oil is a natural powerhouse. Its secret weapon, azadirachtin, disrupts pest hormones, stopping feeding, growth, and reproduction. It's not a poison, but a biological checkmate. Neem breaks down quickly, leaving no harmful residue. A weekly spray keeps pests in check. Just spray in the evening to protect pollinators. Simple, safe, and effective. Let nature do the heavy lifting. Diatomaceous earth, fossilized algae, looks like powder but feels like glass to insects. It pierces their exoskeletons, causing dehydration and death. Sprinkle it dry around your plants for a physical barrier. Reapply after rain or watering. No chemicals, just sharp science. Sometimes, the best defense is microscopic. Soap spray is a classic for soft-bodied pests. Use pure, mild soap. No additives. The soap dissolves pests' protective layers, causing them to dehydrate. Spray directly on pests, especially under leaves. Don't overdo it. Too much soap can harm plants. Simple, cheap, and surprisingly effective. Garlic and chili spray turns your garden into a no-go zone for pests. Blend garlic and chili with water, steep overnight, strain, and add a drop of soap. Spray on plants. Pests hate the taste and smell. It's a powerful, all-natural repellent. Make your garden too spicy for invaders. For flying pests, use yellow sticky traps. Insects are drawn to yellow thinking it's fresh foliage. They land and get stuck. Problem solved. Place traps above your plants to catch adults before they lay eggs. It's simple, targeted, and chemical-free. Mulch does more than conserve moisture. It blocks pests. A thick layer of organic mulch stops pests from reaching your plants and supports beneficial predators. Ground beetles and spiders thrive under mulch, hunting pests for you. Mulch is both shield and habitat. Protect your soil, and your plants will thank you. Recruit nature's pest patrol. Beneficial insects, ladybugs and lacewings devour aphids. Parasitic wasps target caterpillars. Attract them by planting dill, fennel, and yarrow. You can even buy ladybugs for a quick boost. Build a habitat, not just a garden. Let predators do the pest control. Nature's army is on your side. Crop rotation confuses pests that specialize in certain plants. Don't plant the same family in the same spot each year. Pests expecting a feast find nothing and move on. Rotate crops every few years for best results. It's a simple trick with big impact. Outsmart pests with a little planning. Healthy soil grows strong, pest-resistant plants. Add compost and organic matter to feed the soil, not just the plant. Beneficial microbes help plants access nutrients and fight disease. Avoid tilling to protect soil structure. Strong plants are their own best defense. Build your garden from the ground up. 10 natural ways to protect your garden, working with nature, not against it. Pest control is about balance, not destruction. Every method strengthens your garden's ecosystem. You're building a resilient, thriving community. Share your favorite methods in the comments. Ready to grow smarter? Subscribe for more soil science made simple. Thanks for watching. See you next time.